You guys have to buy it. Oh my god. What am I saying? This is a must. Seriously, this is a must. And it is TikTok proven. You guys better get it. Hi, what up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Azalia and welcome to my channel. So today, you guys will be joining me to test the viral makeup products on TikTok, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. Oh my god, I just received this yesterday. My friend bought it for me from London. So she sent me this one. It is not yet available in Malaysia, but you guys can get this from your personal shopper or overseas website such as Ulta, Beauty Bay, or whichever site you can find lah. Why I wanted to try this product, because every time I open up my TikTok, there's always this mascara keep popping on my For You page, and then I just had to try it. I'll show you some example here, a few videos of this review of this mascara that have been reviewed by TikTokers here. So it claims to give you a lengthening effect on your lashes, and also volume too, not so much. But so yeah, I kind of like the bottle. The bottle is in rose gold color, and then the sky high word is embossed. And then so let's open it up. Look at that beaut, guys. It's so cantik, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it matches my background and my outfit for today as well, and my makeup. So yeah, I kind of like the bottle. It's very luxurious, and of course like luxurious, the price also very luxurious. Oh yeah, so let's see the inside. Okay, so this is the applicator. Dia punya applicator is the same as the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I have it. And it's kind of flexible, you see? So you don't have to wiggle that much. You can just wiggle your wand. So for today's testing, I want to test whether it clumps, it smudges, and most important, does it flake onto my lower lash. As you can see, let me zoom. I have a very short lashes, but it is curly. I think it's kind of curly, but it's kind of short, so I don't know whether this is gonna work for me. I'm excited to try it out. So let's. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys closer to me so you can see the before and after. So this is my normal lashes. Okay, I'm gonna apply it onto my right eye. So yeah, with one coat, let's see what's gonna happen. And I did not curl my lashes because I want to see whether it curl my original lashes. Whoa, guys, I'm impressed. This is just one coat. Oh my god, guys. You see? So I'm gonna dip it in for the second coat. Second coat. I'm really shook. Oh my god, this is my new favorite mascara. I'm gonna buy some more. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You guys can see my lashes now. I do have lashes, you guys. And it does not clump. And it does not... Yes, and it does give the lengthening effect. Kind of volumize. Overall. Okay, this is the second coat. You want me to try on third coat? Okay, this is the third coat. I think it is enough. 2 coats is just enough. You don't need to put sampai 3 coat because dia dah start clumping kat situ. It start to clump. Oh my god, I am pretty impressed. So let me put it on my lower lash. I really don't know how to do this. I suck at putting at lower lash. Let me put it off camera. I just put 2 coats on my lower lash. So yeah, as you can see, it is giving the effect of the lengthening effect. Oh my god, oh my goodness, guys. You guys have to try this. It really works. Okay, so this is my left eye without any mascara, and this is my right eye with the Sky High mascara. As you can see, my eyes look bigger than this side, and I'm pretty amazed. You can see that my lashes now are there. I have lashes. I do have lashes. It's pretty good, guys. Pretty amazing. So let's put on the mascara onto my left eye. This is the first coat. And again, I did not curl my lashes. You guys, this is freaking good. I don't need my lashes now. No, I still do need my lashes. I like to wear eyelashes, fake lash. You guys, it's amazing. Hands down, this is my favorite mascara so far, besides the L'Oreal Telescopic and Silky Girl yang warna kuning hitam tu. Okay, you guys can see that I am really happy with my purchase, and yes, it claims what it claims, to give you the lengthening and the volume tu ada sikit. The volume is there, but effect yang paling dia nak tunjukkan ialah the lengthening one. So you guys, I'm happy. I'm so happy that I got this and I get to try it. You guys, I'm gonna wear this all day. Even though it's quite pricey, but it does give you the effect that you want, the lengthening, and yeah. I'm so sorry for the really short video review of this mascara because my camera is not working well. I don't know why it keeps shutting down at a few seconds. Thank you guys for watching my review, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like to this video, and see you guys in my next review soon. Bye bye.